So, Mom, I had to pick one of those blades I was telling you about, and I wanted you to get some real stats on this thing. So, it's about 10 inches long almost, and it's about a half an inch wide, thick, and it's 3 inches wide. I was wrong about the weight. One of them is actually 3 pounds and 2 ounces. I don't know why I thought it was so much heavier than that. I guess I had way more than I thought I had, but it's sharp as a Dickens, though. Look at that. Now you see why you could put somebody in there and chop them up. I thought that might be interesting.